Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Stellar Lumens price prediction and Stellar Lumens news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Stellar Lumens in 2022. Stellar is a distributed open source and community-owned blockchain network. Stellar was founded by lawyer Joyce Kim and Jed McCaleb in 2014. It is used to facilitate transfers between assets. Stellar is committed to facilitating these transfers for a fraction of a penny, while striving to be an open financial system and provide people of all income levels with access to affordable financial services. Stellar's own digital currency is called LUMENS XLM. To protect against spam, there is a requirement that each Stellar wallet contains at least a small amount of lumens. With lumens, users can send each other any currency, automatically converting it to any other. Stellar also supports smart contracts. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Stellar Lumens. One cryptocurrency that even this skeptic is buying. Admit it. I've never really been on the cryptocurrency train. While I can fully appreciate the potential of crypto's underlying blockchain technology, simply creating an unlimited number of alternative, unregulated currencies out of thin air sets the stage for disaster. Everything prompts a reaction of some sort sooner or later. Often, those reactions are unforeseen and undesirable outcomes. However, there are a couple of up-and-comers that have caught my eye of late. Of the two in question, I might end up actually taking a shot on Stellar Lumen, Crypto, XLM. The clear purpose, that makes perfect sense ever since they moved into the mainstream. One of my chief hangups with cryptocurrencies has been their limited degree of practical use. For crypto to be a successful alternative to fiat money, enough sellers must be willing to accept it as payment, and enough buyers must be willing to use it as a means of payment. That has been the underlying reason so many cryptocurrencies and related stocks have been struggling of late. Not enough participants can agree on which of a plethora of altcoins out there are the ones to commonly utilize. Most of the early ones were established without a particular usage in mind. Stellar Lumens, to be precise, isn't hampered by this philosophical flaw. Established back in 2014 on its own built-in token called the Lumen, Stellar's network is built from the ground up to allow large organizations to do cost-effective cross-border business with ease. And they have. Over the course of the past 7 years, the platform has facilitated over 450 million transactions, allowing payers to make payments in their local currency and payment recipients to receive payments in their local currency. The coolest part is that Stellar works with any currency, fiat and otherwise. The stablecoin United States dollars coin, for instance, is also compatible with the Stellar network. Stellar Lumens is in good company, and limited supply. It remains to be seen whether Stellar Lumens will end up being one of the world's preferred cryptos a requirement, if there's to be any hope for the price stability needed to make a particular digital money a reasonably safe means of storing, conveying, or receiving value. Otherwise, it continues to be little more than a speculative coin toss. The Stellar platform certainly got the right support to become the platform of choice among the world's key players though. Technology giant International Business Machines, better known as IBM, is partnering with Stellar to offer IBM's corporate clients cross-border payment solutions, touting the network's sharply lower, and has been trading in a range of 19 cents to 39 cents for more than 8 months. The recent bearish phase marked a descending channel, on the daily chart, with the alt losing almost 62% since November 10 and making a yearly low on Jan 22. At this stage, the 50 EMA acted as strong resistance and confirmed the long-term downtrend. The fall stalled at 13-month, 19 cents, support, where buyers stepped in to start a 29% recovery and test the upper trend line of the down channel on February 8. Interestingly, the trend reversal occurred as the bears approached the 19-cent support in July 2021. It now seemed likely that history would repeat itself as the XLM saw the morning star candlestick pattern and the technical indicators confirmed the rising buying power. Moreover, the recent bullish return has formed a strong demand zone, rectangle, near the $0.2 level. Any close above $0.221 is likely to test around 23 cents before a pullback. If the bulls fail to close above $0.221, a direct retest of the demand zone should not surprise investors traders. The RSI has been in an uptrend for the past month, but it still needed to close above the half line to confirm a change in momentum. It needs to bounce off the trendline support to improve its chances of breaking $0.221. The CMF quickly turned up and swung above the half line, hinting at a change in trend. In addition, the super trend showed a buy signal and confirmed the growing buying pressure. As XLM reversed from the critical $0.195 support, the chances of a trend reversal are high while its technical indicators confirm growing buying power. The clash between buyers and sellers between $0.23 and the demand zone can be expected in the coming days before the trend makes a move. In addition, in order to make a profitable move, broader market sentiment and network development must be taken into account. And here's what they said a week ago about Ukraine, DeFi, and what's next for Stellar and XLM, focused on scaling XRP, and Stellar's XLM, are both among the market's top 40 cryptocurrencies, and rival siblings too. The link between them is technologist Jed McCaleb, who founded Ripple, and then left to co-found the Stellar Development Foundation SDF. Analysts, journalists, and traders admittedly love business rivalries and the dramatic backstory, especially with the SEC v Ripple Labs lawsuit heating up the courtroom. But, while XRP makes headlines, crypto watchers shouldn't lose sight of XLM, especially since it also has ambitious plans to transform cross-border payments. To that end, Crypto recently interviewed Stellar Development Foundation spokesperson Carolyn Yee to learn more about Stellar, XLM, and the SDF's future targets. Ukrainian like a wrecking ball, Ripple appears to reign supreme in the area of CBDCs, having announced digital currency partnerships with Bhutan and Palau. Meanwhile, Stellar is often linked to Ukraine's electronic hryvnia digital currency. However, there's a catch. He explained, based on all of the above, it can be argued that Stellar is ready to make a mark on the crypto scene in 2022. In early 2021, MoneyGram and Ripple parted ways due to an SEC lawsuit against the San Francisco blockchain company. However, in January 20, the crypto space will soon become mainstream. Each project offers unique plans for survival and dominance in the market. We will try to answer these frequently asked questions. Is Stellar, XLM, a good investment? How much will Stellar cost in 2025? But in reality, guessing price fluctuations and forecasting future prices is a hell of a task. But let's not waste time and proceed to the forecast, and we will start from the current year 2022, but perhaps I will clarify that at the moment the price of Stellar fluctuates around 18 cents United States dollars. XLM rate prediction 2022. For a long-term forecast of the Stellar price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a chance that the average price of XLM will rise to around 26 cents by 2022, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2022, the year may end with a maximum price of 29 cents with a minimum price 26 cents level. XLM rate prediction 2023, XLM will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Stellar price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2023, the Stellar rate will be almost 38 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 45 cents. Stellar average price prediction for the end of 2023 could be around 39 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Stellar price prediction 2024, volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Stellar could cross 65 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 56 cents. Stellar price prediction 2025, XLM has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Stellar, the price could rise.